The positive takeaway from yesterday's trade, Nifty's sell-off stalled and most importantly, bulls make a powerful comeback. Our call of the day suggests positive wave shall beckon Dalal Street with immediate goalpost at Nifty's all-time high 26,277.35 mark. Bank Nifty should also scale new all-time high. The undertone remains positive amidst two positive catalysts. 1. Optimism surrounding a potential US-India trade agreement. 2. India's retail inflation sliding to a record 0.25% in October, well below the RBI's tolerance band, strengthening hopes for a December rate cut. Technically speaking, Nifty's make-or-break support is placed at 25,740. As long as this zone holds, dips continue to remain attractive buying opportunities for positional bulls. Bottom line, the bulls are whispering, some shouting, that a year-end rally at Dalal Street has officially begun. Expect Nifty 26,277.35 mark sooner than later. Market trends. The global cues are slightly positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 1,581 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 1,360 crores. Bullish Nifty sentiment is likely to prevail. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest massive upside breakout. FANO November month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,000 and 26,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is trading near 12 levels. At last check, USDINR, November, was trading near the 88.58 levels. Nifty PCR, 25th November, is at 1.29 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 25th November, is at 1.20. Nifty outlook, up again for benchmark Nifty as bullish sentiments are likely jump with joy. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 26,053. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 25,856 on closing basis. Immediate interweek resistance is placed only at 26,277 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 26,000 and 26,300. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 85,186. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 84,600 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 85,978 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 84,900 and 85,900. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 59,216. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 58,689 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 59,500 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 58,900 and 59,900. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. Nifty started Wednesday's trading on a cautious note, with bulls regrouping at lower levels, reinforcing our bullish view that bullish momentum may soon become the new normal on Dalal Street. Stocks in spotlight. The spotlight turns on Infosys after it jumped 3.74% in yesterday's trade to end at 1,542 rupees. The biggest positive catalyst, Infosys' biggest ever share buyback opens on Thursday, 20th November, and closes on 26th November. Size, 18,000 crore rupees. Buyback price, 1,800 rupee per share, over 19% premium from the announcement day. What's a buyback? A company repurchases its own shares, reducing supply and often boosting shareholder value. Infosys plans to buy back 10 crore shares, about 2.4% of total equity. 15% of the buyback is reserved for small shareholders, those holding up to 2 lakh rupees worth of shares. Buyback ratios. Reserved, 2 for every 11 shares held. General, 17 for every 706 shares. Big positive, promoters are not participating, meaning more room for retail investors. Promoters currently hold 14.3%, public holds 85.46%.